So let's go back to our CSS. Okay, display flex. I've stopped there for now. I will pick the nav class. So I'll pick the nav class. So you can see nav, right? So you can see the nav class. Inside it, we have the parent list. So I'll go to the parent list. So before the parent list, let me see. Okay, let me give it width. Width. Let the width of this be 100. Let it be, let's say 50%. The width be 50%. So let's see, the height should be 100% of the height of the height, which is 100%. Okay, 100%. That is, it will take the height of the header. Now I told you, percent is a relative this thing. So percent is a relative stuff, right? So it's going to take the height of the header. So let's see. Okay, let's give it a border. Let's call it border. Border 1 pixel solid red, so that you see what I'm trying to say. Okay, let me. Okay, go here. So you can see it's 50% of the OI. You can see it's 50%. So gradually we are making small sense here, right? So I always put header to show me the layout. Okay, so now we can come here. Okay, let's go to our, I'm thinking whether I should pause the video here, so but we can still do some things. So the next thing is go to the class of parent list. Let's look at the name of the class. I can copy it if I don't want to make mistake in spelling. I can copy it and then come here, put the parent list. So parent list, I will let the parent list also inherit the nav, because nav is a parent to parent list. So I will just say width. I want it to inherit 100%. 100%. Let it inherit 100%. If we need to change it later, we change it. That is, inherit 100% of this width. Okay, remember this one is 50% of this. Okay, but this is 100% of this. Okay, so we go to the height. So height, let it be 100% too. Inherit 100% of your parent height. Inherit 100% of your parent width. Who is the parent of this parent list? Is nav. Because if you look at it, parent list class, which is for UL, is nested inside nav. It's inside nav. So nav is a parent to UL. Okay, while UL is a parent to all this list. Okay, so that's the hierarchy. So we can now go to the CSS. Okay, I'll pause here.